Can you delete Blox Fruits? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. You can now directly reset your Blox Fruits account or delete your game data to start over your current account. This means that you cannot reset your levels, fruits, or items. So multiple sources confirm that the only way to start over completely is to create a new Roblox account with a new email and username and then log in to the Blox Fruits with that new account. This will give you a brand new game with no items or no fruits and a level of 0. You can reset your stats, but this will not reset your level, fruits, or game progress. You can reset stats by using the stat refund codes like kit/reset or start to Uncle Kizaru, visiting the Blox store NPC in the second or the third sea and using the fragments, and paying Robux for stat refunds in the in-game shop. So if you want to reset your Blox Fruits account completely, you need to delete the current account or use a new account to do so. And you can only reset your stats, which can be done by codes and all. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.